So I got this cool cleaner so I can clean all my knobs and pulls and stuff that I pull off my dressers because they're usually pretty grimy and dirty. So I got one so I can see how clean it actually gets them. So this is what it looks like. Put some in there, so we're gonna test it. So there they are, look how nasty they are. Let's see, I'm gonna put vinegar and water in it, and we're gonna see. I'm probably gonna leave them in for about 30-45 minutes and see how clean they come. So let's try this out.
So
Let's try
this.
this.
Is the second cycle with wine.
We have a before and after the ultrasonic. Ultrasonic?